How to turn off comments notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite, and here you will find this one, your profile, and then click these three lines in the top corner, then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and then post stories and comments, and scroll down. Here you will find this one. Here you will find comments. Now just select off and go back. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.